everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a single chain using a rainbow loop and a hand. But first, we're using a hand. First, we're gonna use 8 and 8 up and up and one again and up and up and one again and up and up. But you will make a single chain by using your hand. And up and up. And again, put a violet loop and up and up. And put on violet again. Up and up. Like this you have. And one again. And up and up. Second color is blue and get over this and up and up. And this is again one and up and up. And this again one and up and up. And this one again. Up and up. And this one. Up and up. And color pink. Put it and up and up. Just like that. Put a pink, color pink transparent color and up and up. And you're gonna add an S-slip or a C-slip. S-slip and C-slip. And I have a question. What perfect slip will you keep on your room? C-slip or S-slip? But now I will use a C-slip. And put just like that. And we'll finish the one. It is in hand. And the second is on rainbow loom. Rainbow loom are a advanced level because it was hard if you are beginner. And this is for beginners. Tutorial. And up So you have this, and we're gonna make a cap band. Put it in your hook, and 1 and 2, and put it at the last color do you put, and push it down, 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 down. And we will start in your cap band. We will start here on your last colors you put. Just like this. Sorry, the camera was blurred. Blurred. Put your hook into the cap band and put and keep the dark pink, the dark blue, pink your dark blue color, and keep hold it tightly and be careful and keep it down like this. Your hook will crush it. And this again, and up, and up. Hold it tightly and up, just like this. One more time. And 1, 2. And this, gonna hold it tightly and put it back, just like that. And put it your hook and take the violet and hold it tightly and spin and back. And pull at your loom and hold it tightly, the violet, just like that, and spin just like that and put it back. Okay, as you know, like this, and that. And that is finished. At the end, that is finished as an S clip, and just like that, and put here into your loom and hold it in the S and be careful. Just like that. And the blue, and that's finished. What is the beautiful? made by hand or made by loom? Please comment under below, and if our new members of Luminaries, just log on www.sims.com.ph. Okay.